Imagine a war that lasts years, fought between brothers over territory and mates. Today we are diving deep into the surprising reality of salmon, which wage brutal conflicts against their own species to ensure survival. In the animal kingdom, life often looks more like Game of Thrones than a gentle web. While we might expect harmony in nature, several species have evolved anticipatory behaviors to prepare for bloody conflicts over territory and mates that are imminent. Salmon return to their birth rivers to spawn, but instead of peace, a hierarchy forms. They decide for themselves who leads the pack and where satisfaction is found, creating a self-regulated law where external gods have no place in their struggle. This aggression isn't just instinct, it is deeply rooted in their genetics and breeding history. Paradoxically, while some might think selective breeding produced peacekeeping officials, the very same fraternity of fish are waging war with unprecedented intensity. These conflicts resemble intense memory wars where every individual fights for genetic legacy. The battles are not random, they are strategic. Preparations to dominate the spawning grounds and secure the next generation of their kind. The implications of this behavior show us that nature is not always gentle. These fish demonstrate how evolutionary pressures can turn a species into a battlefield, where survival depends on the ability to outfight one's own kin. So, we see that salmon are not just symbols of peace or nature's cycle. They are warriors who waged long-term wars against their species to define their place in the ecosystem forever. This deep dive reveals that nature is full of surprising conflicts. What other animal behaviors challenge your view of the natural world? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more science stories.